crime correspondent Brianna Whitney is following all of it. A busy night.
Busy night. We know a lot of people from all over the country have been following these trials and cases, not just here in Arizona, but there were stunning moments in the courtroom in all three of these cases this week. The husband and victim of the coffee pot poison speaking for the first time. The suspect accused of shooting and killing the University of Arizona professor having an outburst in court today. And Tammy Daybell's sister angry in the courtroom with the conversations she had with Chad Daybell after her sister died. Today, a Tucson judge handing down the sentence for Melody Johnson. 3 years probation for trying to poison her husband, Robbie Johnson's coffee with bleach twice in July of last year. Incidents he caught on video when he suspected something was wrong. Melody pleaded guilty to 2 charges of poisoning food or drink. In the courtroom, Robbie speaking to the judge as the couple's divorce proceedings are ongoing.
Today marks the genesis of the healing journey for me and our son. Although our lives have been irreversibly transformed, the trust I once vested in Melody has been unequivocally shattered.
This week, Murad Dervish, the man charged with killing University of Arizona professor Thomas Meixner, on trial for first-degree murder. Dervish was expelled from the university after being part of the master's program in the department Meixner headed up. This morning, Murad Dervish having an outburst over video shown of a UAPD officer trying to arrest Dervish for making threats before the shooting happened.
You told multiple lies, okay? Mr. Dervish. And if my lawyer is any kind of lawyer, he's going to expose the lies right now. So, okay.
If you speak, Mr. Dervish, if you speak out again, you're going to be removed from the courtroom.
The state trying to prove Dervish knew what he was doing, but in opening statements Friday, the defense zeroing in on mental health.
So, Mr. Dervish is guilty except insane to second-degree murder.
Chad Daybell's murder trial entering day 21, facing the death penalty if convicted for the murders of his own wife, Tammy Daybell, and Lori Vallow's 2 children, Tylee Ryan and JJ Vallow. This week, we heard testimony that the fingerprints of Lori's brother, Alex Cox, were found on plastic near JJ's body, and DNA on a dirty shovel and blood on a pickaxe matched Tylee's. But Friday, Tammy Daybell's sister, Samantha, took the stand, upset and angry with Chad after learning who Lori Vallow was.
I asked him in a phone call, please tell me about this woman that you've replaced my sister with. And I asked him questions about her name because what we found out was different than what he told us.
Samantha said Chad told her he and Lori would be empty nesters and revealed the conversation she had with Chad once she learned he married Lori Vallow just 2 weeks after Tammy died.
Samantha, I am telling you now that when I was at the cemetery, Tammy showed herself to me and said that I should move on. And I responded with, when most women say that to their husband, it's in 2 years from now, not 2 weeks after I'm dead.
Murad Dervish's trial resumes Tuesday. The defense told the jury to expect to hear from Dervish's mother as well as other witnesses to the shooting, that it will show that it was not premeditated. And Chad Daybell's trial, which you just heard right there, will resume next week as well. Vanessa, I'll send it back to you.
All right, Brianna, thank you.